we're gonna see some channels, and we're gonna who's this? Their name is Toys and Colors. They have 60 subs, 1K videos, and hello, and they said hello friends, welcome to the Toys and Colors Kids World. Bro, let's look at their oldest video. Let's watch this, bro. Let's watch this. Bro. What are you? Bro. Bro, you must make your own channel. Why it's so funny? Why you making so much channel? I think you got your mom's credit card and you have a friends. I think that's his friend who been acting like he wants pizza. I think that guy stole that credit cards to his dad. Oh my god. Bro, why you need some $5? You must need, bro. Why it's super cool, bro. Loves pizza. He is getting super fat. Uncle Mike is getting super fat. Look, his tummy. His tummy will be fat, super. Owen Fresh. Let's check with Owen Fresh Pizza. What's Owen Pizza? What's Oven Fresh Pizza, bro? It's Oven Fresh Pizza. Oh, wings to eat. Bro, this is what they're talking about. Oven Fresh Pizza. Bro, Ohio. Bro, it's from New York. Woo. Johnny, yes, Papa. This should look like a girl who has a dirty stuff on her head. Bro, you have to clean your hands. Bro, you must clean your hands. There's some germs on it. Bro, doesn't care. No, wash your hand first. Or something, or there's some germs in your hand. Yo. Bro, you're not listening. That's why, because that will happen. Bro, why did you don't eat some candy, bro? When they was watching, I know they're skipping some video. Wait, guys. When they were washing his hands, I think they washed his hands, and they skipped the video, and they stopped the video, and if it stopped, it will like that. How the phone can do this? Bro, it's a hand. Bro, it's a stinky foot. Bro, has a red foot. How did you get the red foot? Eric has a bad day. Let's check they are not. Let's check. Yes, Eric has a bad day. Yes. He didn't get it. Bro, are you making some rhymes or something? Can you video or something? Or something when you are in the jungle? Have you go to the ocean? Why you're not videoing in the ocean? I think they're joking. Joking, bro. Because yeah, it's broken. It's broken, guys. It's broken, guys. What is that? Can we get another channel or something? They have another channel. If you saw me do this, I will do it in August 26th. Okay, let's watch.
Check it out, John. Okay, let me see. I think it's broken, Emma. Let me try to fix it.
You think it's broken, bro?
May cellphone ka naman, Lia. Yung
You
cellphone
think
ka
it's
naman.
broken?
Open natin yung cellphone.
Why it's just broken? I think they use fake tools, and there's some fake tools, and they use toy tools or something. I think that's a toy tool, bro. Yeah. Kids can use that toy.
Hiram daw si Lia ng laptop.
That
Kuya.
cannot work.
O, hulog yan, Lia.
That cannot work.
It's worked. You can wash your hand now, Emma.
Okay, then do it.
Hiram daw si Lia ng laptop.
Ayo. Bro, what is that jiggling green screen? Like the okay, then go. Okay. Don't eat more.
Ito na lang yung tablet ang gamitin mo.
Okay. Bro, I think that's for kids or something. And when they use that, I think that mom still kids painting.
Tablet na lang gamitin mo.
And
Stop na
that's
yan,
why
Kuya. Si Lia na dito.
that is good. And bye-bye guys, bye-bye. So we can hit 1K likes. And bye-bye guys, bye-bye.